These are all the new and working codes you can actually redeem inside of BlueLock. Be sure to actually like the video, guys, and subscribe. Open the codes. Do not miss out on any codes. Lucky 7 CR7 Lucky 7 exclamation point. This is the first code that you actually want to redeem. Redeem every single code. This is the first one. Did you see it? Just like this. Lucky. The next code. Care package. W Churrallo. Care package. Is this exactly how you type it? This is exactly how you type it. Care package. And the next one is the God Sprinter. The God Sprinter exclamation point. The God Sprinter. God speed. God is good. God is good. The next one is Masters. Julian LOKI. Be sure to actually literally type every single one of these in and you'll be good to go. Massive lucky spinneronis. A bunch of free cash. So first of all, I have to go to level 10. Other than that, guys, comment LOKI. Comment LOKI if you want a free slot. I'll be gifting a free slot to you guys into this video. 3 winners for free slots. Comment LOKI, and these are all the codes in BlueLock Rivals.